Hi, I am Balasubramanian. In this video, we are going to see 8th standard biology, chapter number 10, food production. In this lesson, we are going to learn about crops on the basis of purpose of cultivation, horticulture, organic farming, and green revolution. Okay, see crops on the base of purpose of cultivation. See, there are two purposes. One is food crops, and another one is cash crops. Okay, what is food crops? Crops which are grown for obtaining food are called food crops. Nothing but those crops gives food for us, or those plants gives food for us, called a food crops. Examples: pulses, cereals, fruits, vegetables. Okay, these are all the examples. What is food crops? Crops which are grown for obtaining food. Simply, we can say those crops gives food for us. Okay, right. Keep remember. Right. Next, cash crops. What is cash crops? Crops which are grown to earn profit or cash are called cash crops. See, by cultivating these kind of plants, we can get or we can earn money. Okay. Here we have some examples: cotton, sugarcane, tea, rubber, spices, and coffee. Okay, these are all the examples. By cultivating these kind of crops, definitely we can earn money. Okay, right. Next, horticulture. What is meant by horticulture? Horticulture is the branch of agriculture. Okay, it's a branch of agriculture which focuses on growing plants, vegetables, and decorative flowers. These three are very important. Okay, what is the main focusing? What you are going to focus? Growing plants, vegetables, and decorative flowers and plants. Okay, not only that, plant conservation, landscape design, garden design and maintenance. Okay, these are also under in horticulture. Okay, and also it helps farmers to make orchards. Okay, orchards is a place where fruits and nut producing trees are growing for obtaining cash. Okay, right. Horticulture crops. There are varieties of crops available. Okay, see, on based on the vegetables, there are a lot of examples available. Here we have beans, spinach, tomato, etc. Okay, almost all kind of vegetables. Okay, right. Then fruits. What are the fruits? Apple, grapes, papaya, cherry, citrus fruits, peach, plums, nuts, almonds, pomegranates. Okay, these are all the examples. Not only this, etc. etc. Okay, right. Then decorative or ornamental plants. See, crotons, ferns, rose, jasmine. Okay, these are all cultivated by the horticulture. Okay, right. Then spices, cloves, chili, black pepper, turmeric, ginger, and bay leaf. Okay, not only this, almost all spices. Okay, right. Now, cultivation of horticulture crops. Okay, see, by this method, we can grow plants artificially by following this method. Okay, what is the method? Cutting, layering, grafting. Cutting, layering, grafting. Okay, right. First one, cutting. What is meant by cutting? Method of cutting the stem into small pieces and planting the cut end in soil known as cutting. Very simple concept. Okay, see, we have to cut the stem into many pieces. Then you have to plant each stem in the soil. Okay, see, basically these stems has leaves and buds. Okay, after planting, after a week, definitely these stems grow as a adult plant. Okay, because it contains buds and leaves. Okay, right. See, the piece of stem eventually bears roots. Very important thing, roots and new leaves which grows into an adult plant. Okay, right. See, we can do money plant, rose, and china rose. Okay, right. These are all the example. Very simple method we can do in our home itself. Okay, right. Next, layering. Okay, what is meant by layering? A portion of the aerial stem is made to grow roots while it is still attached to the parent plant and later detached from. Okay, right. See, in this method, a part of the lower branch of plant is bent down. See, look at this picture. You will understand easily. Okay. See, a part of the lower branch is bent down so that touches the soil. Okay. So after the bend down, what will happen? It automatically goes and touch the soil, right? Then a layer of bark is removed from the place. If it is bark is placed there, we have to remove this, okay, right? And where it touches the soil, right? See, layer is carried out in plants such as climbing rose, mint, and raspberries. These are all the examples. See, look at the picture, very, very simple concept. See, a part of the lower branch bend down and touches the soil. Where it touches the soil, it started to give roots and leaves. Okay, so from there, new plants are growing. Okay, right. Look at the picture. Very simple concept, right? See, it is possible. Climbing rose, mint, and raspberries. Next, grafting. So what is by grafting? See, in this method, a small part of the stem or a bud is fixed or attached to the stem of another plant of the same species. Here, same species is very, very important. Okay, we should not do different species. Okay, we should be doing same species. Okay, right, or related species, right? Okay, here, what is meant by zyme and what is meant by stalk? We have to know that. The stem of the host plant is known as stalk, while the curved stem that is added to it is known as xyan. See, look at the picture, you will understand easily. See, I think these plants made by the two different plants. Okay, here stem cutting called as xyan from one plant is attached and tied to the other stem cutting part is called stalk. Okay, right. See, this is one plant stem and this is one plant stem. Okay, so while doing this, you have to fix properly, carefully, and covered with a tap. Okay, then later what will happen? It grows continuously as host plant. Okay, right. See, this method mostly used in flowering plants. Okay, right. See the examples, rose plants. Okay, see, from the grafting we can get good quality of flowers, and also fruits. Okay, right. Then basically these kind of plants has a resistant power against the insects. Okay, right. And also it grows a full strength, right? Okay, next, organic farming. What is meant by organic farming? Organic farming is a method of farming in which a land is cultivated and crops are grown with an aim to maintain the fertility of the soil by using organic waste from plants and animals. See, organic farming, particularly in this farming, we have to use only organic waste. We should not use any harmful chemicals like fertilizers, pesticides, herbicide, and weedicides. Okay, we have to use only organic waste. Okay, organic waste is nothing but it's mixing of plant waste and animal waste. Okay, animal waste example cow dung, human waste material. Okay, right. Plant waste nothing but plant residues. Okay, right. See, we have to use these kind of things for this farming method. Okay, see, in this approach of farming, harmful chemicals like fertilizers, herbicides, and pesticides are either not used at all or used in minimum amounts. See, exactly, we have to use only organic waste. Okay, we should not use any harmful chemicals. Okay, right. See, the concept was introduced by the Sir Albert Howard, so who is recognized as the father of organic farming. So, who is called the father of organic farming? Who is called the father of organic farming? Albert Howard. Okay, he was introduced the organic farming. Okay, right. See, what are the benefits if you are following organic farming? You are going to get. Okay, right. See, it helps in protecting the fertility of the soil for a longer period of time. We can save the soil quality, okay, as good fertile, right? And it helps in maintaining the nitrogen level. Okay, we have to maintain the nitrogen level of the soil by using legumes and biological nitrogen fixing. See, whenever crops or plants grows, the plants need three essential nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. These three are essential nutrients. Okay, right. See, it helps in protecting the crops from weeds, pests, and disease through crop rotations, natural predators, and organic manuring. Okay, right. It also helps in conserving environment and natural habitats of wildlife. Next, Green Revolution. What is meant by Green Revolution? The Green Revolution is defined as a period when the productivity of global agriculture increased drastically as a result of new advances. See, for this method, we have to use new advances, okay, right? And also combination of chemical fertilizers, pesticides, we have to use, okay, otherwise we cannot give a good quality of products from the agriculture, okay, right? See, when it was introduced into the India in the year 1967 and 68, okay, the period of green revolution started in India around the year 1967 to 68, okay, right? Where it started? Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh, okay, later spread to other states in India, okay, right? See, who introduced this? Dr. Norman Borlaug, okay, he belongs to America, and also MS Swaminathan contributed the development of high-yielding varieties of wheat and rice, HYVS, high-yielding varieties of seeds. Okay, right. By using these kind of seeds, definitely we can produce good quantity of agriculture products. Okay, right. See, the modern technologies in agriculture made India produce more grains. So after start to use this kind of seeds, see, we producing more grains and also established as one of the world's major agriculture producers. Okay, with the help of Swaminathan and Norman Borlaug, now or India as one of the world major agriculture producers. Okay, right. Okay, I hope you all understood. Thank you.